Hey, so just a quick video to talk through how to set up this report that pulls in multiple surveys. So this functionality is not yet available in the results reporting, which is the new reporting, but it is possible in printed reports. This feature is going to be brought into results, but it just hasn't made its way over yet. We're currently working on getting that functionality into the new reporting section. So I'm just going to click into printed reports. I'm just in one of the surveys that you mentioned, just so I can use this as an example. I'm just going to go ahead and create a new report. I'm just going to call it Q support, so you know you can get rid of it if you need to later. This will just by default pull in this Mother Teresa survey data on its own. So I'll just go through the motions really quickly. I'll just generate a report with a table and a graph, generate the report. And now I currently have the results from one survey in this report. So this is the data source currently being used, but I can add multiple data sources to this report. So all I need to do is just click on this icon over here, go to add a new data source, and then it will ask me to choose a survey. So I'll just go ahead and choose another one of the surveys, just this one for example. Now this will not automatically be applied to the report. This is just there. I can apply this to an individual graph or table if I wish, but if I want to apply it to the entire report and pull it in with the Mother Teresa data, I just click on this icon again, I go to generate report, and then there's an option here to merge this data source with the existing report, and I just click generate report, and that will add these two data sources, but it will not combine them together. It will do them side by side for easy comparison. So unfortunately, there is no way of combining these all together without doing the export and import of data into one survey. So you could export the data from all of your surveys and import it into one copy, and then create a report off that if you want to combine all the results together. But what this is doing instead is there will now be a column for Mother Teresa and a column for this report here, and you'll be able to see how they compare side by side. So if that's not what you're looking for, unfortunately it will be necessary to do the export import. But if this is going to be useful for you, then that's how you would do that. And like I say, you can add multiple reports, so I could add another data source here and just keep going. But now when I go down, you'll see I have one column for Mother Teresa, one column for this survey here, and when we go down to other tables, you'll see that I have the two different data sources here, and I can also rename these for easier. So I could just call this one Mother Teresa, just for easier viewing, and then this one I can just call there. So now when I pull through, you'll see that these will actually update and pull in the correct labels if I was to refresh the page. So I hope that does answer your question, but if you do have any issues or any other questions on this, please just let me know and I'll be able to help you out.